In this installment, I hope to provide you resources that you can get a lot of your power tools and especially hand tools at a fraction of the price of new. For example, this to start with, this tool panel here, the plywood was scrap. All the magnets were got Harbor Freight for free with a purchase. Vice grips, probably less than $1 at a garage sale. 50-cent Fisker wire cutters, Stanley chisels at a garage sale. This Stanley coping saw garage sale. The thing that just fell was from a garage sale, and all these Irwin quick clamps were from an auction. A cardboard box of all that, plus I'm not sure what else, for under 20 bucks. This was from the dollar store for $1. That was at a garage sale for maybe 50 cents or so. This old Stanley sliding T-bevel, I got it last week for $2, and it sells as vintage for maybe $40. And at the end, I will give you resources and a list of many of the places, and like I said, resources of where to find this stuff for yourself. This old 6-inch by 48-inch belt sander I got for maybe $20. It needed some work, had to build a new stand for it, but if you can find the core parts that have promise, you can save money that way. The entire garage wood shelves, 2x4s and plywood all around the garage, was built for nothing, using only scrap. And if you were to buy that much plywood, you could have several $100s in it, probably maybe $20 to $50 a sheet of plywood. On my way to the airport, I detoured to a garage sale. I got there early, and sometimes timing is everything. I got this stack-on toolbox for $10, which is quite a deal there, but included in there were several snap-on tools, a mag light, and other things. They were simply downsizing and moving on to other things, other hobbies, I suppose. This 3-foot by 6-foot workbench came with a house. This rubber chicken was given to me free by a friend. This bubble level was given to me for my high school graduation by a friend of a family decades ago. This 40-pound anvil came with the house. The tripod that I'm making this video with, garage sale. Sometimes the quality of older items you just can't find, like this Stanley chisel with the metal end there. A Stanley Yankee offset slotted screwdriver. This is one of my better finds. It's a 4-inch by 8-inch quick release woodworking vise. Slides open to about a foot. And it was on a very beat up old workbench, but the vise was overlooked. And so they said, if you can take it off the workbench, you could have it for $2.50. And if you could find one, it'd be well over $100, I'm sure. I mentioned garage sales over and over, but that may have been a little bit inaccurate. Garage sales are good, but there's yard sales, farmers markets, moving sales, estate sales, flea markets, antique stores, thrift stores, dollar stores, surplus stores, just regular old dumpsters. The big box stores, bargain bins. Somebody bought something and returned it. They can't sell it for new. Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, gifts that you get, or somebody will ask you, we don't know what to get you. Say, here's what I need. Or you can trade gifts. Harbor Freight, a source of free magnets and discounts when you buy together. Even grocery stores like Aldi's, You can find various tools from week to week. Company newsletter. Even junk on the side of the road. Construction workers often have things fall off, buckets, tape measures, etc. And as I showed you here, even your own home. Look in your attic, what might have been left behind, or stuff you forgot about, or things the previous owner was just in too big of a rush to move out, and it wasn't worth his pain to have the stuff moved to where he's moving to. Hope this helps you to get started.